Thanks, Joy. Good afternoon, everyone. So, when we actually thought about volleyball, it was not just 2 years back, but it probably goes almost 5 years back. And we always thought that as a sport, volleyball is probably one of the most exciting sports to watch on television, apart from even watching on the ground. And it's an Olympic sport, and probably is the second biggest team sport in the world. So over these last 5 years, we had many highs, few lows as well, a lot of frustrations as well. But one thing which remained consistent was our passion for the sport, and what we felt that why don't we create something which is going to be consistent, which is going to be free of any interference, and something is going to be completely player friendly and investor as a matter of fact, the franchise owner friendly. And that's when, over the last 2 years, we were kind of thinking about it, contemplating. And I cannot thank enough all the six team owners who are present here, and also the teams of these, every owner who's also present in the audience, that they all believed in this product. They felt that, yes, this is a chance to do something for Indian sports, Indian volleyball, and probably the economic model that we built on around this league, Prime Volleyball, could actually be replicated in other sports as well, which can have a better ROI for everyone who's invested in the sport. So again, thank you to all the team owners. I would also like to thank our Powered by sponsor, A23, who again believed in this. They've seen that a fantasy around volleyball can really work wonders as well. So it's not just cricket. So again, a huge thanks to Deepak. And last but not the least, I would also like to thank a company, Piston Des Sport, who's also got involved with this league, because they as a company are going to be focusing on grassroots level sports, and not only volleyball but other sports as well. So they've also joined hands with us, and that has actually given the entire team a lot of belief that yes, probably we are treading the right path. So thank you again, everyone.